No question, this could be one of the noisiest places tonight. And that's the problem. It promotes itself as having 1 million watts of bass. And you can hear it.
All you can hear and feel is that bass. They have to do something with the traffic and the sound. Buckle up.
It's disturbing, when you're not used to it.
Well, officers are aware, but their hands are tied. They posted this to Facebook and reads in part, the police department does sympathize with those that are bothered by the noise. However, HPD has no control over the noise and cannot enforce any complaints related to this concert.